So in today's video, I will be showing you guys how I installed this beautiful V-part wig that U-Nice was so nice enough to send over. So if you're interested in today's video, then let's get straight into it. Listen, baby, they done messed up. They done sent your girl a wig. They done sent us a wig, and baby, we about to slay. We don't know what we doing, but at the end of the day, we gonna slay. So U-Nice was nice enough to send us over this 24-inch V-part wig. So when you get your wig, it comes in this package right here. So it's nicely wrapped. Comes with this net over the wig. Ooh. And this is the hair. So I have the 24-inch curly V-part wig. So let me just show y'all. So this is the V-part, and then it has four clips right here, 2 combs on the side, 1 in the back, and then it looks like you have an adjustable strap right here in the back so you can fit your head. And then you also have a, what's this thing called, a band, a glueless band or a headband. Y'all, I don't know nothing about wigs, but y'all get it. You have this band so that you can make it glueless, because this should be real simple. Now I didn't want to get no lace front or no closure because your girl don't know what she really doing with this hair. But I figured a V-part should be real easy. I am gonna do a middle part. So I'm just gonna take this comb, bust it down the middle. Oh, that most definitely is not a middle part. Let me take this comb. Okay, is that middle enough? I think that's in the middle. Y'all, I'm just so thankful for U-Nice wanting to work with your girl. Okay, let me calm down. Okay, so I got my part. I want to measure the V part to make sure I leave like enough space. So hold on. So come back over here, Curly Sue. Her name is Sue, y'all. Curly Sue. Okay, hold on. So I'm gonna want about this much leave out in the front. Hold on, y'all. Okay, so I parted just the right amount of space. Okay, so now that we have our part down the middle, what I'm gonna do is create a V right here with just this much hair. Y'all see this hair? Just that much hair. And then I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. Y'all see this? Okay. I'm just gonna go ahead and twist this up. Okay, so that hair that we have right here in the clip, that's gonna be the hair that we use for our leave out. Now I'm gonna go in and leave some hair out on the sides, on my perimeter. Not a lot.
Okay, y'all, so I figured it'd be best for me to just come on here and do a little voiceover and talk to y'all so I can kind of speed things up for y'all and thoroughly explain everything to y'all. So I already explained to y'all how I did the parting for the leave out. Now I'm doing the parting for my leave out along the perimeter of my the front of my hair, because I kind of want it to look natural. I want the hair to look as natural as possible, so I want to leave hair out along the front as well as in the V part. Now, don't y'all start chewing me up in the comment section talking about how I ain't got no hair and how my hair thin and all that kind of stuff. If you are new here, I'll go ahead and explain to you. But if you one of my Shady Babes, then y'all already know. I have thin edges, baby. I'm really bald headed on my edges. I lost majority of my hair when I was pregnant with my daughter, with the postpartum shedding. So it never grew back. I mean, it's growing, but it's just my hair is real thin since I had my daughter, and that's okay. I'm okay with that. So I don't need y'all to be chewing me up about my hair because some of y'all are mean. Now I am braiding down the perimeter, the edges of my hair, because I'm just doing this just to get the hair out the way so I can braid down the rest of my hair. Now, I don't know anything about wigs, y'all. I've always wanted to be the girl that wear wigs, but I never knew how to put them on. So when U-Nice reached out to me, I was really, really so excited because they reached out to me to review a V-part wig. And I was like, baby, yes, send me the wig because, baby, I think I can slay a V-part. Like, how hard could that be? And, baby, it was real simple. So if you don't know nothing about her, then keep watching, boo, because I'm going to get us together. I'm going to get us together. But listen, if you don't want a leave out, if you feel like this is doing too much, I totally understand. You do not have to do what I'm doing with this wig. All you can do is what you can do is just put some cornrows in your head. Make sure you got a part straight down the middle of your head. Throw you some cornrows in and slap this V-part wig on. You don't have to do the leave out. I'm doing it because I'm extra. But back to the video. So now that I have that anchor braid braided back, now I'm going in and I'm braiding the rest of my hair. So I'm making one big chunky braid, including that anchor braid that I just braided. Do that make sense, y'all? I hope that's making sense. But y'all can see here, like, pretty much what I did.
Okay, y'all. So with these clips that's in the front, what you're gonna want to do is pop them forward. That pulls out the clip. I don't know if y'all can see the clip. When you go inward, it locks it in. When you pop it up, it pulls the clip out. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pop open each clip. I hope y'all can see that. There's also a clip right here that goes right here, but I didn't make a braid, so we're just gonna leave that one. We're not gonna clip that. We're just gonna only secure right here. So what I'm gonna do is tuck my braids up like that in the back, and I am going to put the wig on. Ooh. Okay. I thought I was gonna put the wig on that way. I'm wrong. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is put the wig on. First, I'm gonna secure the wig in the front before I do anything else. So I'm gonna go ahead and comb that clip in and then push it down. Oh, y'all see how secure that look? Hold on, let me do this one. That one in, and then clip. Hold on, why they don't want to clamp down? Hey, clamp down. Clamp down, okay. Hey, y'all clamping on the stuff y'all ain't got no business clamping on too. Come over here. Hold on, wait a minute, don't get my leave out. So I'm trying to clamp these braids today. I'm trying to clamp this down to my little anchor braids that I created. Come here. Oops. Clamp it down. Okay. Now I got those clamped. Let's use my comb to secure everything else. Oh, this was so easy, y'all. That was so freaking easy. Okay, let's, hold on, wait a minute, y'all. Before we get too happy, let's take this down. Did we leave enough leave out to kind of cover everything? I think we did. I think we did. So now I know my hair is straight. What I'm gonna do is, yeah, I'm just fascinated at the fact that I did that. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and take these braids down because this is going to be like, I feel like by me leaving my real hair out in the front, it's gonna make it look more natural. So let's take this little braid down. Okay, we're gonna do the same over here. Okay. These curls feel so good. If you want to wear your hair like this, you can, but I'm not, because I'm just curious to see what it's gonna look like if I wet it. So I'm going in with some water and conditioner in a spray bottle, and I'm just gonna wet my hair. See those curls? Oh yeah, these curls are everything. And I'm gonna wet my hair as well. There's no shedding. Y'all see my real hair starting to blend in with it a little more? This is freaking beautiful. Like, if you wanted to, you can be done like this. Like, you don't have to do nothing else if you didn't want to. This is, you ready to go. You can put your little gel, little edge control right here and be done. Like, I look on my mama, on my hood. I look fly. I look good. Hey, y'all, look how I look. Okay, you know what? Before, and my real hair is blending real good with it. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is go do my makeup real quick, because y'all know I'm gonna always do my makeup before I end out the video. But like, look at this. Let me do my makeup. Let me see how the hair does when it dries. And then at that point, we'll see if we want to add like some styling products or anything of that nature. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup and then I'll be back.
All right, y'all, so it's about 3 hours later and this is what the hair looks like completely dried. I'm going in with my extreme gel and I'm using this for my edges only because this is my favorite product to use on my edges. I'm just so in love with it. And yeah, that's pretty much what I'm doing. But I do want to talk to y'all real quick while I'm doing my edges. I want to talk about the hair. So y'all, again, I don't know if I said it at the beginning of the video. I'm going to say it now. I am a girl that don't know anything about wigs, weaves, anything. Only thing I know how to do is my natural hair. That's it. Oh, and I know how to flatter in my natural hair. So I am so impressed with this wig because it literally was so easy to do. Like y'all seen in the video, it took me no time to just throw those little braids up and slap this wig on. And y'all, my hair, like when I tell y'all my hair looks so good, baby, my hair looks so good, I want to take my own self out on a date. Because see, my husband is a truck driver and he's on the road right now. And I looks this good. I'm finna take my own self out on a date because I ain't got time to wait on him to come back in town. Baby, do y'all see? Look at the curls. Okay, anywho, back to the hair. So this hair is 200% density. I'm assuming the density is how thick the hair is, girl. And also, the hair did not have a smell. I watched several wig videos in the past because, you know, like I said, I've always been a girl that wanted to wear wigs but could never ever apply them on correctly myself. And I always see the girls talking about how the hair stinks. Well, this hair didn't stink, baby. It didn't have a smell at all to it. So, thank you nice for that. I love the fact that y'all hair don't stink, okay? Anywho, so at this point, I was like, my hair looks good, but I want to do a style. What kind of style can I do with a V-part? Baby, I thought of several, but I'm going to go ahead and give y'all one right now. So I was like, okay, people always tell me that I look like, what do they always tell me? They always say I look Indian a little bit. So I was like, okay, let me do like a little cute little hairstyle with the 2 braids going to the back, you know, and let's see if it's giving Pocahontas or something like that. But I wasn't confident in my braiding skills to do the little braids, so I just had to opt for just pulling the hair back. Baby, again, I'm not a hairstylist, and you gotta do what you gotta do, okay? And I was like, look at me checking myself out like, okay, I'm thinking that this probably, you know, could work. So I went in with a little rubber band and made a little ponytail, and baby, it was giving. Look, it's giving. So now I'm going in with my Unjackies Don't Shrink. At this point, y'all, I just put that product only on those little strings that I got dangling in the front because that's my real hair, and I wanted it to kind of, you know, curl a little bit more. I want it to last in the humidity when I go out and things of that nature. But as far as the actual wig, y'all, I literally only put water and conditioner. I put warm water in a water bottle, and then I poured some conditioner inside that bottle. I shook it up real good, and that's the only thing that's on my hair. Now, I can tell y'all, if y'all want to go in with Unjackie Don't Shrink product and put it in your hand and kind of rake it through the hair, y'all can do that because I have been wearing this hair for a couple of days and it did kind of get a little big. Not like big to where it looked crazy, but it got a little big, and what I did was just re-wet it, and I put a little Unjackie's Don't Shrink gel in my hand and kind of raked it through my hair, and it got the hair right on together. But let's just talk about this blend. Like, this hair blend so good with my hair texture. Now, I'm not real big on typing, you know, saying the type of hair I got, but if I had to say it, I always tell y'all I am a 3C 4A. I have a 3C 4A hair type. 4A is in the middle of my head and 3C around the perimeter. And baby, this wig matched my hair so good. So if you have that hair texture, baby, go purchase this wig. And if you don't, go to your nice website. I'll have all the details down below, and you can purchase any type of V-part wig. They have every texture that you could ever possibly think of. So sis, just because you don't have my hair type don't mean you can't get a wig, baby. Everybody can get a wig, and y'all need to go get this wig because, baby, look at it. I did this, y'all. Can y'all believe it? I don't know nothing about wigs. This wig is so beginner friendly. Y'all go check this wig out. And if y'all not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my what, I can talk. Please subscribe to my channel. We lit over here. And until next time, guys, bye.